So let's have a look at creating and formatting a chart in Excel 2007. What I'm going to start off is selecting the range of figures that I want to go ahead and work with in my chart. What I'm going to do here is to select from A3 to C9, and then I'm going to use a quick shortcut, this is the F11 key, to create a very simple column chart from that information. If you now look at the screen in Excel 2007, because we're working with a chart, my Chart Tools ribbon has become active, giving me the ability to design, change the layout and format of these charts. The first thing I'm going to do is to change the chart type. I'm going to change it from a flat 2D column to a 3D column option. There's the change. And then what I'm going to do is to work with a different style of 3D chart. You can see here that there are many different style types that give you enhancements on the current colour scheme, including shading and 3D style. Or for example, you can completely change the colour scheme, and these are based on the current theme of the document that you're working with. So I think we'll go back to style 18. If I then go to the layout tab and I want to add a title, then the ability to add the title directly to the chart is now much simpler, and all I need to do is to go ahead and add the information to my chart. Now that I'm working with the layout tools, I can also decide where I want the legend to go. I can add data labels, and I can also add a small data chart to show the information that's coming through. I can work with 3D rotations for my chart, move it around, just allowing me to manipulate the information that I see. Finally, if I go to the Format tab, I can work with some other areas here of the format of my particular chart. At the moment I've got the background selected, and you can see here that I can add a number of different styles of background shading to this chart. These are actually really great if you're planning to incorporate your chart into a PowerPoint presentation. Just gives it a bit more pizzazz, a bit more of a good look and feel, and allows you to go ahead and present your information cleanly. I wouldn't recommend it if you were going to be using a lot of charts in a PowerPoint presentation. It can all start to become a little bit samey. But when you're working with your chart, then the ability to change your chart type, chart style, layout, the layout of the chart itself, and to work with the format is much, much simpler in Excel 2007.